Taylor, look. Look in this box. Look in the box.
From your cousin.
It's from your cousin. Look in the box, Taylor. Okay, let's take that paper out. Look, Taylor. Look, what did you get?
It's not like me or you.
What's that?
Oh, what'd you get, Taylor?
A pillow pet. It's a pillow pet. Comfortable. Say thank you to your cousin Gabe.
Thank you.
Look at.
Say thank you, Gabe. Look at the camera. Say thank you, Gabe. Thank you, Gabe. So what? So what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do with your pillow? Oh, you gonna put it in the chair? Okay. You gonna rock it? You rocking your pillow pet. What you gonna name your pillow pet? What you gonna name him? It's a rainbow. Uh-oh. Francis gonna help? Oh.
A pillow pet.
Give me my pillow pet.
Oh, help her. Okay. It's a baby? It's a rainbow pillow pet. Say thank you.